Morning students, this is your first video clip where I am going to explain about calculations of atomic radius, packing efficiency and packing fraction for simple cubic, that is SC, base centered cubic, that is BCC, and FCC, that is face centered cubic. Today the first one, calculations of efficiency in a simple cubic. Here it is, you just find here, these are atoms, this is the figure of complete crystal structure. These are atoms. So now how to find out simple cubic? Here it is, only one cell, only one sphere can be attached. So we have to find out, suppose the edge length is, let us suppose edge length be A. You can say this is edge length A, all these are length, edge length. Cubical edge length is the same, everywhere it would be same. So, and radius of sphere, suppose this one is face, first face. You can take any face in this crystal structure. या तो तुम ऊपर ले सकते हो, या यहाँ ले सकते हो फ्रंट में, या यहाँ ले सकते हो, या बैक साइड ले सकते हो. देखो इसमें कितने फेसेस हो रहे हैं, 1 2 3 4, आगे 5, पीछे 6, इस तरह से फेसेस हैं. तो मान लो कि तुमने ये फेस लिया, इस तरह से ये फेस लिया, तो यहाँ पे ये रेडियस क्या हो गया, r हो गया. द रेडियस ऑफ द स्फीयर इक्वल टू r. अब क्या करना है, क्योंकि ये स्फीयर यहाँ से टच कर रहा है, ये वाला पोर्शंस को, चारों एटम्स को टच कर रहा है. जब टच करता है ईच अदर, व्हेन, यहाँ पे वी हैव टू राइट एज स्फीयर्स आर टचिंग ईच अदर, एज spheres are touching each other, then A, all the edge length would be same, so A is equal to, it becomes twice, that means 2r. A is equal to 2r. So we can find out, therefore atomic radius we can find out. Atomic radius is equal to r is equal to A by 2. Atomic radius r is equal to A by 2. This is the first result of atomic radius in a simple cubic. Today we are going to learn about simple cubic structure. So the radius becomes A by 2. Number of sphere only one na? I am using only one face, एक ही face use कर रहे हैं. So the number of sphere is 1. Number of sphere is 1. Hence volume of sphere, means इसका वॉल्यूम निकालेंगे. एक स्फीयर का वॉल्यूम कितना होता है, एवरीबडी नोज. कितना होता है गोला का आयतन, 4/3 पाई r क्यूब. दिस इज द फॉर्मूला थ्रू विच यू कैन फाइंड आउट वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ स्फीयर, 4/3 पाई r क्यूब. नाउ volume of cube we have to find out. Volume of cube, edge length is A. If you know the sides of cube, then you can find out the volume of cube, that is a cube, means a cube, that means a का वैल्यू है a is equal to 2r, so here it becomes 2r whole cube, that is 8r cube. Now what we have to find out? Fraction occupied, packing fraction. Fraction is equal to, how to find out? This volume is spherical volume divided by cubical volume, means 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by 8r cube. Then approximately this is fixed, approx 0.54, 0.524, sorry, 524, approximately we are getting 0.524. If we have to find out packing efficiency, then it becomes, whenever we need to find out packing efficiency, we have to multiply by 100. It becomes approximately 52.4%. This becomes the packing efficiency of simple cubic. Once again, we are going to learn calculation of efficiency in a simple cubic. This is complete crystal structure where the edge length is a and the radius become r. So as spheres are touching each other, the a is equal to 2r. Atomic radius we have to find out at first. So r is equal to a upon 2. Number of sphere is 1. So volume of sphere equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of cube equal to a cube, that is 2r cube. We are getting 8r cube. So the packing fraction equal to spherical volume divided by cubical volume. So 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by 8r cube, approximately we are getting 0.524. When we have to find out packing efficiency, it becomes 0.524 into 100, that is 52.4. In this way, we can find out in the next video BCC, that means calculation of atomic radius packing efficiency and packing fraction for BCC and face centered cubic. Thank you. जो भी डाउट्स है आप व्हाट्सएप के जरिए आफ्टर 10 o'clock पूछ सकते हो. थैंक यू.